Hey there, we're happy to introduce you to the new Skydio 2. We're really excited about this drone, and in this video, we're going to walk you through some of the basics. Let's take a quick look at what comes with your Skydio 2. Everything ships in this awesome, durable hard case. Inside the case, we have the Skydio 2, one battery, the charging power adapter, a USB-C to USB-C charging and data cable, a microfiber cloth to help keep all of the cameras smudge-free, and an extra set of propellers. The only thing that you'll need to bring to the party is your own micro SD card. The Skydio 2 requires a UHS Speed Class 3 or faster micro SD card. You can find these online or at any retail electronics or mobile phone outlet. The first thing you'll want to do after unboxing your Skydio 2 is charge up your batteries. Skydio 2's batteries are held in place by strong magnets and are charged through the USB-C port on the vehicle. Once fully charged, you'll get about 23 minutes of flight time from a single battery. Skydio 2 uses Wi-Fi to communicate with your phone and other Skydio accessories. Launching Skydio 2 is as simple as holding the launch button. When Skydio 2 is not following a subject, you have full manual flight control from within the app. But after it launches, you can tap the plus symbol on any subject in the current frame within the app to track that subject's motion. Your Skydio 2 will now follow that subject and fly itself to get the best shot. Skydio 2 can follow people or cars, and at any time during flight, you can manually take control of the drone for any reason by tapping the red stop button in the upper right corner of the app. You can easily switch between video and still photo modes via the camera settings menu at the top of the screen. Okay, let's take a quick look at some of those cinematic skills which are accessed through the button in the lower left of the screen. You can think of skills as additional ways to unlock greater creative potential when you're trying to get that perfect shot. Motion tracking is the default skill, and note that you can adjust the height and range of your shot while in most modes. Orbit locks Skydio 2 into an orbit around your subject at your desired distance and speed. Cable Cam gives you the ability to set a start and an end point to your flight and adjust the angle of the camera as Skydio 2 moves through that shot that you've defined. There are, of course, many other skills to explore here and lots of amazing creative potential to unlock, so be sure to check out our support site for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. When it's time to land, you'll want to look for a clear, flat spot away from obstacles and other people. Just tap and hold the land button to land. Skydio 2 will automatically lower itself to the ground safely. After your flight, you can use the Skydio 2 app to create clips of your flight and quickly share them right from your phone.
Traverse landscapes and experience a visual shock beyond imagination. HS720 eye-catching debut. The 2K video camera with shock absorption can tilt 90 degrees down to take bird's-eye view shots. Optical flow adapts to various ground textures for stable hovering indoors. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for the highest aerodynamic efficiency. Built-in metallurgical gear shaft for smooth movements. Ultra-high-grade steel precision material used to create the high-quality fuselage. A military-grade battery that is safe and durable with a longer flight time of up to 26 minutes. HS720 has been redesigned from the ground up. Beautiful landscapes are everywhere. To capture this beauty, you need to find the best perspective. The HS720 helps you achieve this with ease. GPS Gloneless Dual Mode Positioning System achieves fast, accurate, and stable positioning. Real-time video transmission for a totally immersive experience. Awaken your desire for flight. See things from the air that are not possible from ground photography. Enjoy unprecedented sensory experience. With just one click, one can engage orbit mode and capture yourself with your surroundings. Each expedition can be played back perfectly. For the future, it's easy to plan. Automatically fly along the path you set. The HS720 will follow you like your shadow. easily get professional images every time. Intelligent Control Program makes beginners get started effortlessly. Share your videos and pictures with one click. The RTH function will bring the HS720 back to you every time. Get yours today with the HS720.
The absolute freedom of flying like a bird is a long-held dream of mankind. Flying FPV drones is a thrilling experience and brings you closer to this than anything else.
Today's analog video signal only offers low video quality, resulting in an overall poor FPV experience.
Although deemed an impossible task, DJI has developed a new digital FPV transmission system with low latency. The system consists of 4 highly integrated components. The lightweight and compact DJI FPV Air unit is easy to install and features an internal HD video recorder. The robust FPV HD camera features a 2.1mm lens. The FPV goggles are comfortable to wear and display the video feed in HD resolution in super smooth 120 frames per second. An integrated video recorder lets you capture what the pilot sees on the ground. The 8-channel remote controller is configurable via the FPV goggles. It also integrates the DJI HDL remote control protocol. Finally, FPV pilots can enjoy a better flying experience that combines HD image quality with low latency. The DJI digital FPV system supports 8 channels, which allows up to 8 pilots to race simultaneously. The system is incredibly durable and delivers an uninterrupted video feed even when clipping objects. An easy-to-use audience mode lets spectators join the action.
DJI really put this together as a full package thing, so you don't need to waste time trying to select the correct part, do tons of research. It's all integrated, it's all ready to go, you're good.
The DJI digital FPV system allows me to fly faster around the track with more confidence. I can finally see the other drones clearly on the track.
No matter if you are a beginner or expert, engage in an immersive HD FPV flying experience with the DJI digital FPV system.
This is Mavic Air 2. You may have some questions, like,
So what's different?
well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way-do. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different? A whole lot.